Hello guys, in today's review, the next coaster is Iron Dragon. This is Coaster Crusader's video. It's not mine, I'm just gonna borrow it because I got no footage. But this is an Aerosmith coaster, so this is an old coaster at Cedar Point, a little bit older. And so I'm just gonna give you overall thoughts on this coaster, how I thought of it, and we're gonna review this coaster. And yeah, we'll get to it. Really quick, as you leave the station, you'll turn a little bit to the right side, I think, left side. I think it's the right side. This lift hill is not really tall. I suppose it's like about maybe like 30 feet tall, like possibly 70. So I don't know. I'll have to look it up. So just go. Not really tall lift hill though. And then you will then start to drop a little, not a huge drop, but a little steep drop right there, and it's like about maybe like a 60-degree angle, I believe. You'll then swoop down and just kind of fly over the trees, kind of turn around, and just kind of meander around, and you're going close to Rougarou and all that stuff. In this video it shows Mantis, but this is an old video. Cedar Point, but yeah, it's okay. Then you'll just kind of swoop and kind of turn around again, and going past Top Thrill 2, and you will just kind of turn around until you go to your, I believe this time it's a 76-foot tall lift hill. So it's a little bit taller, it seems like, than the first one. So it goes a little higher up, and there you get a nice view of Rougarou, the lift hill and first drop, just for a few minutes. And then you will kind of turn around to the left side, I suppose. You can go past these supports of Rougarou, kind of swoop down to this S-turn and kind of do this banking turn. A lot of turns on this coaster. And you'll go into the pond. Again, it depends if there's any fog or not. The last time I rode it, there was no fog. And you just keep going over the water and turning around, kind of doing this helix thing, and just kind of going up and turn and into the brake run. The ride's pretty much over and kind of short. Hey, not pretty a long ride. It's just a suspended coaster. My Aero, it's more like a family coaster, and it doesn't do a whole much. So if you go to Cedar Point, I don't think this would be recommended for you, because this coaster is not really that enjoyable. I mean, if you're a coaster enthusiast and you're an older person, I don't think that this is going to be for you. You're probably going to get used to the bigger rides like Valraven or even Millennium Force or Rougarou right next door. But this one is probably meant for the younger thrill seekers. So I think you just want to ride this once for the credit. But I don't think it's recommended. It's still pretty fun though. Just not really that exciting. I do like the colors. They do pop that red track with like yellowish orange supports. I think it's more like yellow. They really do pop. And this is Coaster Studios video that I'm borrowing, so this is not mine. But I do like the logo and stuff. It looks pretty cool. The theming is pretty much just sparse, I guess. No theming in the station, just a logo and stuff. And the station is not really that well themed. It's just a building. And yeah, so the ride, again, probably rate this coaster like a, it seems like it's gonna be a 5, because it's just kind of fun in a way and good for younger children. So if you go to Cedar Point, maybe you want to go on the big rides first before you hit up Iron Dragon. Again, if you want to ride just for the credit, you may, but it's just not like a recommended ride. So yeah, and they're using over-the-shoulder restraints for this coaster as usual as the other Aero submarine coasters, and there's not many out there in operation, to be honest. We have Ninja at Six Flags Magic Mountain, and this one, we have one in Canada's Wonderland, but the one in the United States, we only have a few of them left. So not too many of these are in operation, so get your chance before they get removed. So yeah, this ride is just okay. It's just pretty tame. It's just not really that exciting of a ride. I mean, yeah, it's just fun, but not like a thrill or anything. It's just fun if you want to go for it. So yeah, if you want this credit, you may. It's not recommended. Anyway, if you've ridden this before at Cedar Point, let me guys know what you think about this coaster. But again, it's probably gonna be mainly for the younger kids. But yeah. So let me know what you guys think, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.